Alright guys, got the yoke out so you can get to that seal. Got this axle seal out. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Right there. That was fun. Smack it kind of in half so it kind of wants to bend as you're prying on it. This other side, this bearing's in there really good. Really good. So, a little bit, I'll get right back on that. I was just taking a break from that. Give my poor back a break. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this all up. We'll get the new seal in. You did that all wrong. And get this axle shaft back in and bolt it back up. But yeah, that's a quick little update, guys. We'll get a new seal in right about. All right, guys. Well, did notice something. However, I don't know if we can see. Oh. I'm trying to get the light correct and the camera. Pulled the last seal out. Scraped the shit out of where the seal sits. Like 9 screws.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't. But yep. Alright, I thought I'd show you that real quick. And get the new seal in.
Brenty's putting in a seal. I interrupt his
Just bang this section.
Bang it.
Get out of the fucking way! Jesus!
Nice. Look at new seal. Pretty.
I don't think it's all the way
See,
in.
hold it. Wait.
No, you gotta stick it in harder, but it's looking good.
Yes, get out of the
So
way!
bang it harder, Daddy. Not my ding ding. Gently.
Get over there. Just.
I love driving Burnsy nuts. I'm still watching you.
That's fine. I don't give a shit. You're not in my way.
You ever seen a grown man bang a seal?
That looks good.
That looks really good.
Looks very nice. Let me see.
No, but I've seen him fist a horse. That's a mechanic.
No. The joke
In the
goes,
South.
No, the joke goes. Walrus comes in with a car problem to the mechanic. Mechanic comes out after 20 minutes. Looks like you blew a seal. Walrus says, "Don't bring my sex life into this." Anyway.
Actually, it was a little bit of ice cream.
Oh, that's the other version. All right, so this is ready to go back together. Mr. Burns, check these bearings. They're not bad.
No, that one's just stuck in there.
All right, so you and I will get that one out in a minute. Get this back together. And away we go. Thank you, sir.
Oh,